this was like.
There's life for
Yeah, and it'll be on the left. That's the building.
And life more abundant and free. Turn your eyes on Jesus. Look full in His wonderful face, and the things of earth will grow strange in the light of His glory.
We're good. Yeah. It's good.
Through death into life everlasting, we passed and we followed in Him. Over us sin no more had dominion, for more than conquerors we are. Turn your eyes upon Jesus. Look full in His wonderful face, and the things of earth will grow strange in the light of His glory and grace. His word shall not fail you. He promised.
Spot, folks. I need to keep going up a little bit. Yep.
And all will be well.
Yeah.
Then
Right
go
here.
to a world that
Yeah. I'm gonna adjust. Yeah, I'm gonna
is
adjust.
perfect. Salvation.
Yeah.
Turn your eyes upon Jesus. Look full in His wonderful
Nope, I'm actually gonna adjust.
face, and the things of earth will grow strange in the light of His glory
Yeah.
and
Yep.
grace.
I need to knock the back.
And the things of earth will grow strangely in the light of His glory and grace.
Okay.